Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
What serum do you use with a Jade roller? Our best serum for Jade or Rose quartz rollers is our Nordic Roots Hyaluronic Booster Serum. A non-sticky hyaluronic acid serum, it has a silk-like texture which is ideal for helping your facial roller tool to glide around the skin. Can Jade roller slim face? Let's discuss some myths about facial rollers. Using a roller can slim your face. False. The only way to truly lose weight from any part of your body, including your face, is through nutrition and exercise. However, the depuffing potential of the facial roller may make your face look slimmer temporarily. Should I keep my Jade roller in the fridge? And because they're made of natural stone, Jade rollers stay cool to the touch and can be even more effective if you store them in the refrigerator or freezer, says Dr. Sonia Batra, a board-certified dermatologist and co-host of The Doctors. Does Jade roller help double chin? Jade roller also, use upwards motions for massaging your neck too. Use the smaller side of the roller beneath and across your jaw to define it and get rid of a double chin. Tip: it tightens the jawline and adds definition while reducing puffiness.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.